Samsung Electronics and its long protesting workers have reached a pact on wage hikes, promotions and other incentives after the Tamil Nadu government intervened to broker peace. My colleague Haripriya joins us for more details on this.
Samsung Electronics and its workers have finally reached a settlement on the wage issues. The Tamil Nadu government has brokered peace between both the parties. With this, the 9-month-long protest of a fraction of Samsung workers near its Chennai plant has come to an end. This negotiation has been reached after 30 rounds of talks between both the parties in the presence of the Tamil Nadu Labour Department officials. Now, according to the agreement, Samsung will be paying 18,000 over the period of 3 years as hikes. This is a 3-year wage agreement that has been signed, and multiple other incentives has been negotiated for, like a service award, bonuses, paternity leaves, and other benefits that the employees had demanded for. Now, the other demand that the employee union had regarding reinstating the 25 suspended workers that Samsung has suspended during the course of the long protest that the workers had is still under contention. However, all the other issues has been solved. This brings to an end one of India's longest labor disputes.
Haripriya, thank you for that update that we are seeing on what's happening for Samsung Electronics and its wage hikers that we are looking at.